Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to connect your Apple Watch Ultra 2 with your iPhone. First, make sure your iPhone is running the very latest iOS software for optimal compatibility. Next, charge your Apple Watch Ultra 2 to at least 50% power. Finally, keep both devices close together, ideally within a few inches, to ensure a smooth and quick connection process. Once your Apple Watch Ultra 2 displays the Apple logo, open the Apple Watch app on your iPhone. You will see an option to pair new watch. Tap this, then use your iPhone's camera to scan the unique animated pattern appearing on your watch face. This initiates the secure connection between your two devices, typically taking only a few seconds to recognize each other. After successful recognition, you can choose to set up your Apple Watch Ultra 2 as a brand new device or restore it from an existing backup. Next, you will need to review and accept the terms and conditions. Finally, for enhanced security and to enable features like Apple Pay, create a 4-digit passcode directly on your watch screen. This step is crucial for protecting your personal data. Almost there. You can now customize your display by selecting your preferred text size and choosing whether to enable bold text. If your model supports it, you can also set up cellular service directly from your iPhone. Finally, install any desired applications. Your Apple Watch Ultra 2 is now completely set up and ready for you to enjoy all its advanced features, from fitness tracking to notifications.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.